Hi everyone, so today we are making this kind of Christmas wreath. So I just cut this kind of shablon out from the cardboard and now we're gonna wrap this all around. So I have this left, I will use this one. Now we're gonna put here the string so we can hang it. You can even put a hole here, but I do it like this now. Now we'll glue all of this here. I'm gonna start with the pine cone and I'm gonna put these guirlandas first around pine cone. Now we're gonna glue the balls with hot glue, something like this. And now we are putting the rest of this silver guirlanda around. Now I'm gonna put this on top, and then we have several options. One is this one, so we just put this here, or maybe hang it that it's gonna be like this. And then the other is that we put this one here, and also the stars around here. I'm still not sure. Or like this. Yeah, both are nice, or even this if it hangs. Okay, I hang it, so one version is this. The other option is this one, and I can just put here the star. And the third version, it's not so much okay. So I'm going with the second version. I just put this ball around with the string. I'm gonna put a star here. I will glue it also here around. And it's finished. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Ciao!